सेनेटर शहid रहमान कहती हैं कि टीटीपी बीएलए को भारत की जानिब से फंडिंग हो रही है। खुज़दार में दूसरा एपीएस करने की कोशिश की गई। मासूम बच्चियों को निशाना बनाना गैर इंसानी फेल है। दहशतगर्दों के खिलाफ सख्त ऑपरेशन की ज़रूरत है। पाकिस्तान ने हमेशा हर किस्म की दहशतगर्दी की मजम्मत की है।
We have witnessed what is known as a second APS massacre. The numbers may not match, but each life, each innocent life, each civilian life is equally important to all of us. Both in the shape of the TTP coming in from Afghanistan and in the shape of groups such as the BLA, which are funded, secured, financed and organized from our neighbor India. I even have fingerprints from some Jhota Express in which Muslims were burnt alive in a train. India was responsible. We also have many other attacks like this. There's Pahalgam and now we have Pulwama. We have Pulwama and now we have this.